that is the first bloom on the sunflowers that I am seeing. And I'll show you right through the grill here, right there, top, far right. That'll be fun. Are they called blooms or heads? Yeah. Oh, they're getting so darn tall again. I'm telling you, I'm gonna measure. How about I do that? Look at that pretty color. It's actually the top of a building. Nursing home, assisted living. I'd love to show you a sunrise, and I have plenty of them. It's easier to see a sunrise in the front yard. Well, you know. It's just for driving by. Okay. How about we measure? Okay, let's do it. Gonna go get my tape measure. Eight feet 2 inches for that one. They were 12 last year, the mammoth, so I guess I did get the smaller ones this year. I think I lost a lot of melon. Did you see these? It's probably not going to succeed. And that, and there's a general sense that the flowers have died off. I'm irrigating right now manually, but I'm having trouble with this irrigation on this side. I've got to replace it today because I think I've lost a lot of melon. Darn it. No. Oh well. There's more, but still. I don't like to lose them just because of a watering issue. It's already 72 out today, and I don't want to do garden chores first thing in the morning. I really don't. I like to enjoy coffee. So, but we can see I should take those yellow things out. Try to ascertain what those plants are. There's one over here. The only other thing I thought I planted was zinnias, and I didn't think they came up, though I see two of them over there. I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, you guys, look at this. This ribbon was designed to scare off birds, bright shiny objects. Nope. Yeah, first bud. I snagged a couple beans yesterday. It's wet enough. And I ate them. I didn't cook them, I just ate them. Yeah, here they are. I don't know if you can see those. Those guys is. Beans guys is. Yay! There's one, there's one. Oh, I hate to see those wise flies. This is the Coreopsis. There's two plants in there. I had a little more room last year. Aren't they beautiful though? They're gonna combine with this. Oh, look at that. So pretty. These are blooming, blooming, blooming. show you the moss roses. I think they close up in the night as well. Oh, maybe not. Here they are. That thing's getting very pretty. It's called a rainbow ascot spurge, which is weird because spurge are weeds around here. Look at that tree. It's not doing well, is it? It didn't flower, and it didn't, these are the two cherry trees. Neither one of them did well this year. I don't know if it's getting too much water. I'm kind of wanting to water the marigold every day because he's pretty awesome. I'll take a look at him. Let's check these. How do you know when they're ready? Nectarines. Still hard. Oh. So pretty. Didn't I tell you it's already 72 degrees? It's gonna be 90. One. And if I haven't said it, good morning. I'm not on camera this morning because I didn't put makeup on. I just came out for a few minutes. Today's video is going to be what's for sale in Arizona. And I'm here to tell you, the garden centers look about as tired as parts of my yard. Yeah, note to self, change out the irrigation timer. Loving these nasturtium, the variegated. Me and some kind of bug love them, but all right, time to go inside. I don't know if I did a, sweet peas here. What's he trying to get? What flower? I hear him. He's on the blanket flowers. Let's see if I can get you. Oh no, now he's just gonna sit on this thing. Oh, well, maybe that explains why. They're together. They're an item, a couple, or best buds. I'm not sure which. On the zinnia. Nope, moved up there. All right, I don't have any makeup on today. If I keep my hat low, you won't know because I did put lipstick. I have my coffee cup right here. I'm back and got my supplies, sorry. I'm trying to hold the camera, this little handheld tripod. I think today's video is gonna be what's selling at the store. I did that yesterday or the day before, can't remember. I'm getting lost. Ants everywhere. That means that they're picking aphids up. here, ants mean aphids. Now, I don't know if aphids get on sunflowers. I really don't. But it's not okay, I think, to encourage ants over here. They're on everything. I'm gonna put ant bait out. Thank you for watching this video. See ya. Bye.